Hi, I'm Skyler. Welcome to AgamidCG, and today is day 23 of my 30-day sculpting challenge. The prompt for this one is a Minotaur. I said I'd lay off the anatomy studies for a while, and I kept my word, so today we're diving into the mythical Minotaur. I actually did this one live, so check it out if you want to see the full stream, and let me know if you want to see more of things like this. I'm happy to do them, and it's a great way for me to connect with you guys and be able to answer your questions right away. Honestly, sometimes it's better for me to explain something when I'm learning it, because for some people who are at a higher level, they might have a more complex solution for your problem that maybe isn't something that you can actually do yet. So being able to give you a solution to something when it's on the same level as you, or it's maybe not as complex, might be more helpful. Or maybe you have feedback for me that on something that I'm doing wrong, and you can readily see what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. But regardless, it's just a fun time. You come chill and chat and do some sculpting, and maybe you can sculpt the same prompt with me and we can see what we get. I started this sculpt from a sphere. I really can't seem to keep things in separate meshes. I think it's either my style or just a bad habit that I can't break. I blocked off the head first, and then I pulled out the neck and body, and after that I carved in the eyes and started adding volume around the brows and zygomatic area. At that point, it was already starting to look like a Marvel hero, so maybe I should have just leaned into that. Then I added the cow nose and adjusted the jaw. I went back and forth on the nose quite a bit because it never really felt like a cow nose to me. I opened the mouth and threw in some quick teeth using a fast method that seemed to work really well for a concept sculpt, way faster than individually sculpting the teeth. After that, I added some horns in a small ring, and in the last 10 minutes, I quickly blocked out the body. Nothing fancy, but just enough to sell the idea that this is a big, muscular character. It actually started to remind me a bit of a super mutant from Fallout. After time was up, I added a nose ring and did some poly painting. Overall, I'm pretty happy with what I got done in an hour. I can see the vision, and with more time, I already have ideas for how to push it further. If I kept going, I would probably break it into a couple different variations, one that is more man-inspired and then one is more cow-inspired, just so I can see how far I could stretch the proportions of the body and give more influence between cow and man. Because right now it's kind of stuck in a weird in-between, because the only thing that's giving that Minotaur feel is the horns and the fact that he's just this jacked monster. Ironically, even though I did ears on day 22, I forgot to add them here, and that probably really would have helped with the silhouette. And that's day 23. Again, let me know if you think I should do more live sessions. I'd love to hang out. Thanks for watching. If you have ideas for things I should sculpt next, or topics for future videos, or feedback on this one, throw it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this channel. Your support really makes a difference. I'm still a small channel, so every little bit helps. I'll see you on day 24.